In this tutorial, you will learn what is fixed function and how to use it. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let us start. Fixed function in Microsoft Excel rounds a number to the specified number of decimals and returns the result as text. Fixed function accepts 3 arguments, 1 mandatory and 2 optional. Let us understand this with an example. I have a number in cell B2 with 5 decimal places. In cell C2, type equal to fixed open bracket. The first mandatory argument is number, which we need to fix. So in our case, it is B2. Second argument is decimals, that is how much digit we need in decimals. Since this is optional argument and if this is omitted, then default value will be considered as 2. But for example's sake, we will fix this to 3 decimal places. The third optional argument is no comma, that is, should the result written without comma, an argument input for this will be true if we do not want comma and omit if we want comma. We will let comma appear in this example, so we will just omit this third argument. And finally, close bracket and hit enter. That's it. We have our comma separated result with 3 decimals as desired. But do not forget, the output of fixed function always results as text, which means no calculations like sum, average, min, max can be carried out on the output of fixed function. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Doesn't matter whether you like, share, subscribe or not. But what matters is that you keep learning.